So this is my robot named RoboPup, and this is the application that is going to be used in order to control it. You can see that there are 3 IR sensor readings. There's a left one, a center one, and then a right one. You can also see that there are 2 buttons, one labeled tricks and the other labeled start, and then there's a text view that just says listening. So this robot actually has autonomous features. As it gets closer to an object, depending on what side, it will correct its motion so that it doesn't collide with that said object. For example, if it sees an object on its left side, it's going to start rotating to the right. And if it sees an object on the right side, it will also start rotating to the left. So I will display this right now. In order to start any movement, you first have to click the start button. Once I do that, you're going to see the robot start moving, and once it approaches the wall, it's going to correct its motion. So here we go. I will now display the same behavior just for the right IR sensor. So you see how it corrected its motion. To better demonstrate its functioning, I am going to place my hand in front of it, and similarly on the right side, and then also for the center. So we see that the robot just did a 180-degree turn. So in addition to object avoiding, this robot can actually do some tricks. So when I provide it with a command, it will do as I say. And I can do so by clicking on the tricks button, and then I will be prompted to speak into the phone, and then the robot will do as I tell it. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this right now. First of all, I'm going to have the robot just move at regular speed by just clicking on the start button. And after I do that, I'm going to click on tricks and tell the robot to attack. And basically it's going to move at a much faster speed. Attack. So here we see a robot going at full speed. And on this application, you can actually see that it detected the word attack. So I just paused this video so you can better hear my voice. The next thing is I'm going to have the robot perform another command, and that's going to be to slow down. So once I initiate the app again, it's going to go back into attack mode, and then it's going to slow down once I prompt it to do so. Okay, so I'm going to initiate the app again and press start. You see that it's on attack mode, and then slow down. So we see that our robot, which is a bit far away now, has slowed down. And you can also see here on the application that the slowdown was detected. So the next mode that our robot's going to go into is the stay mode, where basically it's going to be running and then it's going to stop. I'm going to activate it from the slow down mode, and then it's going to go into stay once I prompt it to. So again, here we go. I'm going to activate it again. Oops, dying. Stay. And we see that our lovely robot stopped moving. And again, the text displays stay. Now, our next trick is going to be to ask the robot to turn right when prompted to. Please note that this robot is gonna keep turning in circles until stopped or asked to stop or stay or told to go into attack or slow down mode. So here we go again. I'm gonna ask the robot to turn right after it starts moving. So it's gonna start moving first. And then I'm gonna ask it to turn right. There you go. I just forced it to stop. The next and last trick is to have it turn left, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So go ahead and activate it first. It's gonna go back into slow down mode. Then turn left. There you go. And here we see that it detected turn left. And I'm gonna go ahead and force stop it.